So in today's video we discuss how to create a mouse with a single button symbol in your computer using keyboard shortcut. So for creating a symbol that is mouse with a single button, you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 128431. So this is the keyboard shortcut, and this video we are showing how to create. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard and turn on the number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see this is the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. After that, you must type the keyboard shortcut I mentioned earlier 128431. Then you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this symbol are been arrived. Hope this video helps you. For more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.